Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you a pancake makeup. So as it is highly asked for, many people don't know how to do pancake makeup, and that's why I'm going to show you today. It's very easy and it's very it gives you a very good coverage to your face. You look very pretty after doing a pancake makeup. The pancake makeup is actually done for, if you want to go for a whole day function and or for marriages and all. So mainly they do pancake makeups. It lasts too long, so if you don't want your face to look dull after some time, then definitely you should go with a pancake makeup. So yeah, let's start the video. So the first thing that I'm going to apply is the moisturizer. Guys, this moisturizer is given to me by a doctor. He has the doctor has recommended me this moisturizer according to my skin. So let it do it fast, let it not just waste time. Yeah, so I'm done with the moisturizer part. I'm done applying. Yes. Now we are going to apply a primer. This is Lakme Undercover Gel Primer. Yeah. The second thing, this primer is a gel primer. The last primer that I show you in the last video was a cream based primer. So yeah, we are going to apply this. You will feel this. See, if you can see, it doesn't have any color. It is gel based. You will feel that it is little bit sticky or oily. So, but it is not. It absorbs in your face very nicely. You just have to rub it on your face. See, it's gone. It doesn't stick to your face. You don't feel oily after that. It's just the feel that the gel has, and once you apply it, it's gone in your skin. See how fresh the skin looks. Then I'm going to show you the pancake application, how to apply the pancake. There are two things, in two ways of applying this pancake to your face. Take a makeup sponge. I've took this for my makeup, and what you can do is, you just have to, for the long lasting makeup, you have to wet it totally. Just put a lot of water on this, or just soak it in the water. And you don't have to take the water out of it. You don't have to remove the water. Dip it in the water, let the water soak. And once the water is soaked very nicely in the sponge, then yeah, let me tell you about this is a Olay thing, Olay pancake. It is a normal pancake that I'm using. It's very nice. It doesn't harm your skin or any reactions or nothing. It's very good. Olay products are good. So this is a Olay thing. So yeah, it's a Olay pancake, and it looks like this, just like a compact powder, but no, it's a pancake. So yeah, just soak this in the water, as I told you, and don't remove water out of it. Take the sponge and put it in the water, like sorry, put it on the pancake. Just dab it very nicely, and let the water spill on this, no problem, nothing. Just dab it nicely, let lot amount of pancake come on this, a very good amount, like this, just do that. I'm just telling you. Okay. And then you have to put it on your face. Just dab it nicely on your face, and then once it is dabbed nicely, then just rub it off. Just apply it very nicely. So now I'm going to do the makeup that is not long lasting makeup. Is just for 2 3 hours that I'm going to do. So for that, I'm just going to put the sponge in the water and remove all the water. Just going to let it wet. That's it. Then once it is wet, then I'm going to apply it accordingly. I'll show you that. I've wet it now. Then, and I've already removed the water also. So I just have to rub it nicely. If you keep water in this and then you do that, then you will get a lot of amount absorbed in the sponge, and that will come on your face. Now I've removed all the water, so the thing which is on the this sponge only, that will come on my face, and it will last for 4 3 4 hours. Even that is a good, time for a makeup lasting thing. So yeah, you just have to apply it on your face like this, like this, like this. Dab it all over. And it gives a good coverage for your eyelids also. You guys, you can see the coverage on my face that has come. It's looking very nice. You can see, see here, see in this light, see, it gives you a very good coverage, and it lasts for a very long time. So let it dry for some time. Yeah, it dries very fast, so there's no problem in that. Just let it set on your face very nicely. Put it on your neck area. You basically have to dab this. You don't have to rub it a lot. Just dab it very nicely on your face, on your eyelids. It gives you the, this, the eye bags, the dark thing under your eyes. It covers everything. So pancake is basically a powder based thing which you have to, apply with the water, and it gives you a powdery finish only. It doesn't, it's not like you have applied some kind of cream. It's your, like, just a compact, and you have gone out. That's it. It looks like this. So after this we are going to apply the Olay compact powder. I usually like to apply the compact same as the foundation, same brand as the foundation. So I've brought this. It's a very nice compact. It looks like this. Yeah, just apply it. Many of the time you don't even there is no need to apply a compact on your face after the use of the pancake, but I'm using it just to show you. I don't apply it. Usually it is only when you are going for a function or anything, a party or something like that. But there's no need, you know there's no need, because the pancake already gives you a powdery base on your face, and this is again a powder. So there's no need a little bit here and a little bit here. That's it. See the coverage that it has given to the skin, all the dark patches and everything. It has given at least, I can say, a 90% of coverage. Yes, see, nice, very nice. Sorry. This is again a contouring palette that I'm using. This is a Olay contouring palette that I'm using. It is a darker shade. It's in my shade. Like, it is darker than my skin, so I'm using that. So now I even like it to do with the hand, the contouring. That is the, very uh, good thing that you can do. And then you can brush it. Who doesn't know how to apply? I'm just showing it to you. It's not that you have to do it. I'm just showing it to you. If you feel that the brush thing is not easy, then you can go with this is to sharpen your nose. You can do it with the brush also. Actually, you have to do it the brush only. But who doesn't know how to do it, or if you feel it very hard with the brush, then you can do it. either which ways. You can see the strokes that I have given on the face, right? See, now you just have to blend it with the brush. That's it. Just do it in the downward direction as I show you. Yeah, this is done. Then this is done. Let it come down here. Good. So the contouring part is done. It has already got blended properly. And this much that has to, that you, if you think that this much is being seen, it has to be seen, guys. That is what the contouring is. Just take a darker shade. See, it's gone. And the face is looking very sleek. If you can see, it is pink in color. See, this is what I'm applying now. Done. It's nice. It's looking good. Now I'm applying a highlighter here. It is just to highlight the face, the parts of the face which you have not contoured. See, a bit here, a bit down of your contour, a bit here. See, see the finish. Just blush it over, just like roll it all over. So you get a a set base. Then down. Flutter Secrets Volumizer Mascara. It gives you a volume to your eyelashes. So that's it. See? Oh, let it dry, then I'll show you. Let it dry. And it's done. I'm going to apply this now to my eyelids. It is a liner basically. It is a Miss Rose eyeliner. It is in number 6. See? The color is orangish color in the sparkle thing. See? And it is very easy to apply actually. That is why You can just put it here and then roll it on. Guys, this takes a lot of time to dry, so let it just close your eyes and let it dry for some time, because this takes a lot. See, I've applied it here also. It looks so beautiful. It looks very nice. Gives you a, a very glam look. Now I'm going to apply a lipstick. So I'm going to apply this lipstick. It is Lisa Professional, Germany Professional Makeup number 52. Yeah, you can see the 52 number. You can. I don't think so. Yeah, 52 number. See, it's written 52. Yeah. So I'm going to apply this. As I had shown you in the last video how to apply a lipstick. See, why I show you this every time, because when you learn to apply lipstick very properly, you don't lose the shape of the lipstick. See the shape. See, you don't lose this once, and if the shape remains proper, it becomes very easy for you to apply the lipstick every time. So don't lose the shape. One, and two, just give a cross and roll on. See, I've done with the lipstick. That's looking pretty. See the eyes, the lip, the makeup, it's totally set. As I told you, the contouring part is done very nicely. Yeah, the time is to go now. So just let me know if you like it, and stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.